My name is Byrd, and I am from Mahomet, Illinois. I'm a freshman year forestry student here, studying with the College of Natural Resources.
Something we see a lot in forestry are rubber-wheeled skidders. These are great for a lot of things, but they do have some issues. Mainly during wet seasons, they will leave ruts in the ground, they have less traction, and it does reduce our operating span. So what's nice about the new articulated track system that we have at the U of I is it increases our operating span and has more traction, negating a lot of the issues with rubber-wheeled skidders. My research is focused on soil compaction. Now, soil compaction is pretty important because it gives us an idea of the long-term productivity of a logging site. This is important because it gives us an idea how many trees we can plant, how healthy the stand's going to be in the long term. And really, it's good because of long-term sustainability in forestry. It's something we really do value. My methods with this mostly consist of running the skidder along the track a predetermined number of times, and then we take soil cores on the track after X amount of runs. What this is going to do is this is going to give us a lot of data. We'll take it to the lab, we'll analyze bulk density, and we can actually see the compaction, and eventually we can compare this to a rubber-wheeled skidder. That's going to give us an idea of how effective this skidder is at reducing compaction. On the new skidder, we have 4 different treads that are basically just metal tracks, kind of like what you'd see on a military tank or something like that. These just are in place of the wheels, and they're articulated, which means that they're independent, but they all work together. These machines are important for 2 reasons. One is sustainability. If we can have increased soil productivity, we can plant in the same places after something's been logged and expect the soil productivity to not be altered, so we can expect a similar result from when the initial logging took place. Secondly, it's important because it increases the operating span of forestry operations, which is going to just really help the supply lines of the lumber industry in general. I highly suggest that every undergrad gets involved with research as early as possible because it really does give you such a unique experience.